In this video, I'm going to be showing you Shopify apps and integrations. So let's get started. You're at the home page and you're going to go left of the screen and you're going to go down to your apps and you're going to click on it. Then this will pop up. At the bottom, you're going to click App and Sales Channel Settings. And this black button right here, Shopify App Store. You can click on that. And this is the App Store. And Shopify has an array of apps that you can use for Shopify. Say if you want to use Shopify email, if you have digital products, this would be good. I personally have a different one for the digital downloads. If you're a barber or work with hair or makeup, an appointment booking will be beneficial for you. If you have TikTok and you want to integrate it with Shopify, and you have Shopify Flow, where you can have for your business and to have it automated. And Klaviyo, if you want to send emails, this is the one I have, and it's pretty cool. Let's check it out. I have this, and it connects to your app, your Klaviyo app, and from there you can send and design your own emails, and you can automate them too. If you have a t-shirt business, Printful is a cool app to integrate. I personally have the Printful on my store, which I use for my apparel. Let's go to my store real quick. So I use it for this. So anybody that goes in and buys a t-shirt, they'll handle the shipping, they will handle the printing, and it's pretty awesome actually. If you want to sell t-shirts, bags, mugs, water containers. So yeah, just come check it out. And there's an array of apps you can choose from. You could do pop-up and forms. You could do custom fields. I recently found this one out, which is pretty cool. So there's you can customize your input fields. Say that you want to customize it. Let's go to one of them. You can add different variants. I know Shopify has different variants, but if you just want to try a different custom fields, you can add that. And that I know they have an array of email. The MailChimp, if you have MailChimp, you can integrate that. Remarketing. Also, if you have a dropshipping business, it'll be beneficial for you to add one of these apps for your drop shipping. You can automate them. You can even have AI set it up and automatically put a product that you choose, and that it'll generate a description, a title, and you can just set the price yourself. And I believe it's this one, AI drop shipping. It's pretty awesome. So thank you for sticking around. Just wait for the next video. Thank you.